Hey everyone, my name is Arwa and I'm the founder of Heal Physical Therapy. My goal is to help older adults overcome the fear of falling so that they can continue to live an active and a healthy life. In today's video, I'm going to answer a simple question which I get asked a lot is how do I make sure that the walker is the right height for me? So let's get started. When you're standing inside the walker with your hands by your side, the walker should be at your hip length, which means that the top crease of your wrist, the grip handle, and the hip should all be in one single line. That way, when you're holding on to the walker, you have a 15 to 20 degrees bend in your elbow. This helps ensure that you're not too slouched or your shoulders are not too elevated when you're walking. Hope this information was useful. Please do let me know if you have any questions or comments and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.